Shatin Sawati is here from Biosciences with Shatin Sawati, and today I am here with the best science art of the day that is created by my student, and this is the Calvin cycle you can see, which is also known as the dark reaction, a light independent reaction, which is the second step of mechanism of photosynthesis. And you can see she created the Calvin cycle with the help of using the sponge for the phosphate and the carbon. These are the carbon, and this is the phosphate which is created by using the sponge. And all the three steps of the Calvin cycle created so amazingly by my student. And you can see this is the first step at which the carbon fixation occur, carbon fixation with the ribulose biphosphate. We need 3 ribulose biphosphate and 3 carbon dioxide in the presence of the Rubisco enzyme, and 3 carbon dioxide with 3 ribulose biphosphate created the phosphoglycerate. 3-phosphoglycerate, and 3-phosphoglycerate mean the carbon at carbon number 3 phosphate is present. Okay, don't be confused. And total 6 phosphoglycerate created at that step, and then you can see 6 ATP converted into 6 ADP, and this is the carbon fixation, must keep it in your mind. And then what will happen, 6 phosphate releases from the ATP, then utilize in the formation of the biphosphoglycerate. The first one is the phosphoglycerate. This is the phosphoglycerate first, then the biphosphoglycerate, then this biphosphoglycerate. One phosphate is missing here, but no problem. So 1,3 biphosphoglycerate is converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate or phosphoglyceraldehyde, and this is the second step, which is reduction. You can see here 6 NADPH converted into 6 NADP, and this is the reduction stage, and total 6 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate produce. Out of 6, 1 move out of the path, out of the cycle, and form the glucose and fructose and other sugar of photosynthesis, and 5 remaining move and regenerate the, you can see, ribulose biphosphate, and at that step 3 ATP utilized to form the phosphate that attach with the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and regenerate the ribulose biphosphate. So an amazing creation. That is the best science art of the day. So must like, must appreciate my student. Thank you very much.